Have you ever scrolled TikTok and thought, how are people making money from this? Well, guess what? In 2025, TikTok is not just a place for funny dances and cute cats. It's also one of the biggest places where people are building real businesses. And one of the most exciting ideas right now is starting your very own TikTok agency. Yes, an agency that helps others grow on TikTok while you make serious money. Up to $10,000 a month, or even more. Before we dive into this fun guide on starting your own TikTok agency, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We share awesome tips every week to help you grow and make money online, so don't miss out. Let's imagine this together. You're sitting in your room with just a phone, a laptop, and Wi-Fi. That's all you need to begin. You don't have to be a dancer or a celebrity. You just need to understand how TikTok works and how to help others grow. That's it. There are thousands of small businesses, coaches, artists, and brands who are confused about TikTok. They want help, and that's where your agency comes in. So how do you actually start? First, you have to learn what makes TikTok special. TikTok is not like YouTube or Instagram. It's fast, it's fun, and most of all, it's made for short videos. Your job is to help others create these short videos and post them at the right time with the right music and the right message. Don't worry, this is not hard to learn. Spend 1 week just watching TikTok trends. Notice what kinds of videos go viral. Are people using certain sounds? Are they using simple hooks at the start? Are they adding funny text on screen? This is all part of your training. Now, let's talk about the services your agency will offer. You can start simple. Offer to create content ideas, write short scripts, and edit videos for clients. Many business owners don't even know what to say in a video. You can help by writing them a short 15-second script that grabs attention. Or maybe you take their raw video and add music, text, and transitions to make it look amazing. These small things have big value. Once you know what you're offering, it's time to find clients. Don't overthink this part. Start with Instagram or LinkedIn. Find small businesses like local cafes, fitness coaches, or online shops that are active but not growing. Message them with something simple like, "Hey, I noticed you're not using TikTok yet. I help businesses grow fast on TikTok with short, fun videos. Can I show you what I can do?" Offer a free video idea or even edit one short clip for free. When they see what you can do, they'll want more. That's your first client. As your first client says yes, you now have real work. But don't worry, you don't have to do everything yourself. You can use tools like CapCut or InShot to edit videos quickly. And if you grow fast, you can hire a freelance editor to help you. This is how your agency slowly grows. First 1 client, then 2, then 5. Each client pays you $500 to $1,500 per month. Now do the math. Just 7 clients paying $1,500 each. And boom, you're making $10,000 a month. Now that you've got your first few clients, let's talk about something super important: keeping your clients happy. This is called client retention. You don't want someone to work with you for just 1 month and then leave. You want them to stay with you for a long time so you get paid every single month without finding new people again and again. So how do you do that? It's pretty simple. First, always talk to your clients. Ask them what they liked in the last video. Ask if they want to try something new. Be friendly, like a helpful teammate, not just someone doing a job. Second, always deliver videos on time. If you promise to send something on Monday, send it on Monday. This builds trust. Third, show them results. TikTok gives you stats like views, likes, and followers. Every week, send a small update showing how their account is growing. Even if the growth is small, they'll be happy that you care. Now let's look at the tools you can use to make your work easier and faster. For video editing, CapCut is your best friend. It's free, easy to use, and even has TikTok templates. For writing captions or finding trending sounds, try tools like TrendTok or Talkboard. If you need ideas for viral hooks, you can even use ChatGPT to help you come up with ideas fast. There are also apps like Notion or Trello that help you stay organized. You can create a simple to-do list for each client so you never forget a task. As your agency grows, you'll notice something exciting. You don't have to do everything yourself. Let's say you now have 5 clients and they all need 3 videos each week. That's a lot. You might feel tired or stressed, but don't worry. This is your chance to become a real agency owner. Start building a small team. You can hire freelance video editors, script writers, or even someone to talk to clients for you. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr are full of people who want to help and work with you. When hiring, always test people first. Give them a small task like editing one TikTok. If they do it well and deliver on time, you know they're good. Pay them fairly and treat them kindly. If your team is happy, they'll help you grow faster. At this stage, you're no longer just creating videos. You're managing a team, talking to clients, and making big decisions. That's what makes you a true entrepreneur. And as your team takes care of the work, you get more time to focus on finding bigger clients. Maybe even brands will pay you $2,000 per month or more. And guess what? You can now offer extra services too, like TikTok account management, ad setup, or even influencer marketing. These are premium offers. If someone wants to pay more, you're ready to serve more. That's how you go from $10,000 a month to $15,000 or even $20,000. So now you've built a small team, you're making videos, your clients are happy, and money is coming in. But what's next? It's time to think bigger. If you want to go from a small agency to a real business, you need to start attracting bigger clients. These are people like fashion brands, tech companies, or personal coaches who already have some money and want to grow fast. They are not looking for just 1 or 2 videos. They want full TikTok plans. So how do you find them? Start by building a portfolio. This is a simple page or video showing the work you've done so far. Add some before and after results. For example, show how one client had 200 views and after working with you, they got 50,000 views. This builds trust. Next, start posting your own content about TikTok tips. You can make short videos or carousels on Instagram, LinkedIn, or even TikTok itself. When people see you giving free value, they'll come to you asking for help. And if you have your agency name and contact info ready, you'll look professional and easy to reach. But while growing, you must avoid some big mistakes too. The first mistake is trying to do too much. Don't say yes to everything. Only offer services you understand well. If someone asks you to run TikTok ads and you don't know how, just be honest or find someone on your team who can help. Second, don't work without contracts. Always send a clear agreement that shows what the client will get and how much they'll pay. This protects both you and them. Third, never ignore communication. If a client sends a message, reply on time. Even if it's just, "Got it, I'll update you soon." Let's also talk about something super important, mindset. Sometimes things might feel slow. Maybe one month you only make $1,000. Maybe a client leaves. That's okay. Every business has ups and downs. Don't stop. Keep learning, keep posting, and keep talking to new people. The more you do it, the better you get. Long-term success comes when you think like a real business owner, not just a video editor. Ask yourself, can I turn this into something big? Can I build a brand? Maybe one day you even have your own TikTok growth course, or launch your own app that helps creators. The possibilities are endless if you keep going. And finally, just remember this. You don't need a fancy office. You don't need a lot of money to start. All you need is your phone, your ideas, and your time. If you stay consistent, help others grow, and build strong client relationships, you can totally build a $10,000 a month TikTok agency in 2025. So what are you waiting for? Open your TikTok app, watch what's trending, write down some ideas, and message your first client today. This is your time. If you made it this far, you're clearly serious about building your own $10,000 a month TikTok agency. So why not subscribe and join our Smart Money Squad? We've got more videos coming your way with step-by-step guides, tools, and secrets to help you grow fast in 2025.